How to log into Kroger Credit Card online account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can log in into Kroger Credit Card online account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your web browser and simply search for Kroger Credit Card online account. After you do that, head over to the first website that you see by Kroger MasterCard. So open that website up. There you can see that's the website and let it load. After it loads, you'll find the login option on the top right corner. Tap on it, and after you tap on it, it will take you to the login page. All you have to do is type in your username now, whatever your username is, and then finally your password. Type both of those in, make sure that you've typed in the correct credentials, and if you want to make the login process easier for the future, tap on remember my username. Then tap on login and you're logged in into your account. And that's how easy it is. And that's basically all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.